The Neo-Gamma humanoid robot, developed by 1X Technologies, represents the forefront of robotics, designed to serve as a versatile companion and assistant for everyday tasks. Standing at 5.41 feet tall and weighing 66 pounds, Neo-Gamma can assist with cleaning, organizing, and even offering companionship. It is equipped with AI-powered speech recognition, allowing it to interact naturally with humans. Neo-Gamma is designed with safety in mind, featuring tendon-driven motion systems that ensure quiet and smooth movements while handling tasks in the home. Additionally, its autonomous capabilities allow it to navigate complex environments, making it ideal for a wide range of applications, from households to office settings. The robot's key features: human-like movement and dexterity. Its advanced AI enables it to perform tasks like picking up objects, vacuuming, and tidying up, all while mimicking human movements. Speech and interaction. Neo-Gamma can hold conversations, understand natural language commands, and adapt its responses based on user preferences. Companionship and education. It can also serve as an educational tool, providing companionship and tutoring for children or elderly individuals. Long battery life. It operates for 2 to 4 hours on a single charge, making it effective for extended tasks. The future of the Neo-Gamma robot lies in further refining these capabilities, with 1X Technologies planning to release a limited number of units to select customers for research purposes. You can find more information, including demonstrations and the robot's development progress, through 1X's official website and recent presentations, including a prominent feature in NVIDIA's GTC 2024 keynote. For more insights, you can watch demonstrations of Neo-Gamma's capabilities on platforms like YouTube or visit 1X's official page for updates. By combining the practical aspects of household management with the emerging power of robotics, Neo-Gamma marks a major step towards smarter homes and more interactive human-robot collaboration.